Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be going over how to operate the Ferrari 488 Spider. This is what your key fob looks like. The unlock button is on the top left. This is the door handle to open the Ferrari. On the lower part of the door panel there is a fuel door release. This will open the fuel door. Be sure to only use 91 or higher octane fuel. This is your trunk release for the front trunk. This is how you open the front trunk. When you close the front trunk, be sure it is closed by firmly pressing down and clicking it into place. There is a spot for your key fob in the center console here. Press once on the start-stop to turn the car on. Press again with your foot on the brake to start the engine. Before we get going, we want to wait for the engine RPM to die down. There we go. This is your left blinker. This is your right blinker. This is the suspension control for driving on bumpy pavement. This is your drive select. You can select the different driving modes between wet, sport, race, traction control off. This is your windshield wiper control. This is your headlight control. This controls the left display. To pair a Bluetooth device, you use this knob here in the right display. To turn the radio on and off, you use that knob. To put the car into reverse, you put your foot on the brake and hit the R button. To put the car into drive, click on the right paddle with your foot on the brake. Now you can see that it's in gear by looking at the gear indicator. You can toggle between manual and auto by hitting the auto button. This controls your side view mirrors. If you flip it all the way to the back, your side view mirrors will fold in like this. This is your unlock and lock button. This is your parking sensor button. The light switches here control the reading and dome lights. This is your hazard button. This is your climate control. This controls where the air blows out of the vents. This controls the fan speed. This controls the temperature. This controls the air conditioning. This is for recirculate. This is for front windshield defrost, and the left button there is for the rear windshield defrost. To open the windows, these are the window switches in the center console. This is how you lower the convertible top. To lower it, you simply pull back on this switch and hold down until the roof cycle is complete. Before you start driving, make sure to release the parking brake by pulling back on this lever. When you are exiting or entering driveways, this 488 is not equipped with a front lift, so be sure to drive in at an angle and go slow. When it comes time to park the Ferrari, come to a complete stop, and with your foot on the brake, pull back on both paddles. Then pull the parking brake switch. That is all we have for you on the Ferrari 488 tutorial. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you enjoy your car.